What does blueprint mean? A blueprint is a detailed plan or technical drawing that shows how something will be built or designed. In simple words, a blueprint is a guide or plan used before creating something. Blueprints are commonly used in construction, engineering, and architecture. They show measurements, structure, and design details. For example, the architect prepared a blueprint for the new building. This means the architect created a detailed design plan. The word blueprint can also be used in a general sense. It can mean a clear plan or strategy for achieving something. For example, the project serves as a blueprint for future development. Here are more example sentences. The engineers studied the blueprint carefully. The blueprint shows the layout of the house. The company created a blueprint for its business strategy. In simple terms, a blueprint is a detailed plan or design. Easy way to remember. Blueprint means a detailed plan used to build or create something.